Do you find yourself struggling with the fluid, captivating visuals that would make your vision a full-blown reality? If so, Huawei Computer Graphics Kit might be your ticket to impressively smooth and effortlessly sophisticated graphics rendering. It represents a comprehensive 3D image processing solution. For mobile games, 3D native apps, and a wide range of other advanced graphics apps, the kit opens a collection of GPU-centric capabilities to developers as a C++ library and is based on an elite performance rendering framework. In the rendering framework, Computer Graphics Kit unleashes the ultimate rendering capability of Vulkan to endow games with premium image quality and a consistently high frame rate on Huawei platforms. In the rendering components, Computer Graphics Kit integrates state-of-the-art graphics technologies, including PBR materials, anti-aliasing, volumetric clouds, and super resolution, among others, enabling you to create true-to-life mobile games with ease. Computer Graphics Kit has been exploring the limits of graphics solutions, such as in-depth collaboration, AI-enabled animation, and 3D modeling to accelerate the application of frontier computer graphics technologies in the movie industry, game industry, and more. To reduce the development time of graphics apps, HMS Core also provides a graphics profiler, including the frame profiler, system profiler, and real-time profiler to help developers in performance, power consumption, and debugging with reduced costs.